Oregano tea is not just a flavorful drink, it also offers numerous health benefits. This herbal brew is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can boost your immunity and improve your overall well-being. Oregano tea, a delightful infusion that not only pleases your palate but also comes with a bunch of health benefits. We'll talk about 4 of them in this video. Okay, it's time to dive into the world of oregano tea, exploring its wonders and discovering how to make the most of this herbal treasure. I will also share with you how to make it. It is very simple. Oregano tea benefits. Number 1, immune system boost. Oregano is not just a pizza herb, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Oregano tea is loaded with antioxidants that can give your immune system the boost it needs. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, supporting your body's defense against illnesses. Number 2 is digestive aid. If your stomach feels like it's staging a rebellion after a heavy meal, oregano tea might be the digestive hero you're looking for. It has natural compounds that can ease indigestion and promote a healthy digestive system. Number 3, anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and carvacrol, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Sipping oregano tea might help soothe inflammation, providing relief to those achy joints and muscles. Respiratory health comes in number 4 and is also my favorite to help with a pesky cough or a stuffy nose. Oregano tea has been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory issues. Did you know that oregano is a nutrient powerhouse, packing in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and manganese? Turning oregano into tea allows you to enjoy these benefits in a warm and comforting cup. How to make oregano tea? Making oregano tea is a breeze, and you don't need to be a herbalist to master it. Here's a simple recipe. You will need 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 cup of hot water, honey or lemon, optional for added flavor. If you have oregano growing in your garden, snip off a tablespoon of fresh leaves. If not, dried oregano works just as well and is a pantry staple. Now that you have your leaves, place them in a cup and pour hot water over them. Let it steep for about 5-10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor. Strain out the leaves. If you have a sweet tooth, add a dollop of honey or a squeeze of lemon for a delightful twist. Now sit back, relax, and savor the warm goodness of your homemade oregano tea. Feel free to enjoy it hot or let it cool for a refreshing iced version. Incorporating oregano tea into your routine is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a step towards a healthier you. There you have it, folks. Let oregano tea become your new wellness companion. Your body will thank you, one sip at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and remedies for you and your loved ones.